I'm out here today with my Ford F150. This is a 2001 model. It's basically a Crown Vic with a bed. It's the 4.6 and whatever else. I don't know much about Fords. The one thing I know, all Fords blow, except this one doesn't. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you our problem here. So if I switch the key on, we got our AC on here, we got nothing. Only blows on high. Our other three settings are dead. In order to fix that, you need a blower motor resistor. These things are pretty cheap, pretty easy to do. Let me show you what you're going to have to do to change this so that your Ford can blow like it's supposed to again. Okay, so we're going to come around to the passenger side of our vehicle, and then we're going to look down under the glove box, get right back in here, and you see these wires right here, head off over here. Those go into the blower motor resistor. Now it's hard for me to get the camera down in here, but I'm going to do my best to show you what you need to do to get this out, put that new one in. Let's see, I can find where this guy is at. It's right there, and you can see what we're going to have to do to get this thing removed. Basically, we've got to pull this connector off. So there's a tab you push, and then we'll kind of wiggle that guy on out of there. Alright, yeah, she's melted a little bit. So that probably tells us that blower motor resistor went bad and fried some stuff. Let me show you right here. It may still be alright. We'll see. Okay, there's both of our screws out. Should be able to grab this thing and pull it straight down. And now, see, we've got something attached there. We got some stuff that's kind of fell into there, but something went wrong with this thing and it quit working. So let's see. It's all sealed in here. This is our new one. Let's just plug this thing in and see if it works real fast. So I'm just going to plug this right into here and just let it dangle. Now with that just dangling there, we should get other fan speeds. We got a little. Yep. Yep. It is important that you cannot just leave this dangle. These coils that are on here get cooled by the air flowing through the air ducts and stuff. So we do need to actually install this properly into the truck. So I'm just going to unplug that and then plop this thing back up in and put our two screws in. So find where it goes up here. Get it up into place. You got to do a lot of this blind. It's kind of miserable to do, but if you know what you're looking for, it's not too hard. You got this. Alright, now with it back installed, our screws are back in. Just plug it in and we are done. There we have it. Let's make sure it all still works. Yep. We got low. Well, that's what we wanted to see. Swapping this thing out only takes a couple minutes, and then we've got all our fan speeds back, and this Ford blows like it's supposed to. Thanks for watching.